ang sinagot ni chair, no? So ngayon po, panoorin po natin ang mga nangyari talaga, no? So kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe,
Presentation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila? Kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
We will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAP.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the H. Doon sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
Looking into based on your query.
Okay. So, you mentioned in a press conference that you will have a subcommittee on budget amendments to replace the small committee. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Does it mean that we will now strictly follow Section 56 and 57 of our rules? That before after we approve on second reading, no further amendments will be made?
Yes, that is correct.
So, lahat ng individual amendments will be tackled before approval on second reading?
All amendments of institutional nature will all be included in the version of the bill that will be approved on second reading.
No, not institutional. I'm referring to committee and individual amendments.
Technically speaking, yes, both committee and individual amendments as moved, as tackled during the period of amendments in the plenary.
So after the second reading, wala na pong babaguhin.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Sumunod, sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
As of now, it's an ongoing discussion. It will not be small.
The
It's actually
subcommittee on budget amendments.
Yes. So we are looking into representatives nominated by each of the political parties, plus the party list coalition, plus members of the minority. So we are looking at least 10 members. So discussions are still ongoing, so I'm unable to say definitively how many the members are and who the members are.
So sinabi niyo po, political parties, majority, minority.
That is correct.
Bakit wala pong representative ang independents? Hindi pa po kami dapat tumingin din sa budget. Budget, meron na pong soft copy
Yes, we commit.
ng after third reading.
Yes, we commit.
Okay. So thank you po. 3 minutes na lang po, tapos na yung 5 minutes. So dapat matanggap na namin yung email ng small committee report, Madam Chair.
Again, we will revert back to you on that, Honorable Chanco.
Isang palakpakan. Yes,
Again,
Toby.
the committee secretary is looking into that. This is something that we can discuss internally. It's an internal matter of the Committee on Appropriations. So I would also not want that to hinder all of the other members to ask their questions pertaining to the 2026 fiscal year budget. So if we can get back to you on that, again,
Etong-
I can also ask the COMSEC to...
Etong katabi, wala nga masabi, oh. Hanggang na lang yata, eh. Oh, diba?
Comsec, I am just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report
Tama.
wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang yan gagawin kasi ano yan eh, public record yan eh. And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba? Kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng tao. So, yun lang po,
The
Madam.
procedural point is what's considered as an internal matter. Again, we maintain that the output of the small committee is included in the HGAB.
Hindi po. Pero nakasulat po ba sa HGAB kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag? Yun na lang po tatanungin ko, Madam Chair.
Pwede
Nakasulat
pong
ba?
silipin yung difference ng GAB as filed versus HGAB. Pero dun po sa mismong forma na HGAB, hindi po nakalagay yung mga delta doon. But if you would really want that, to look into the differences, you can compare HGAB as filed for first reading vis-a-vis what's what's transmitted in the Senate.
Madam Chair, 7,000 pages po yun. Paano ko naman babasahin yun? Eh doon nga sa BICAM, di ba ang ginawa nila, sinamarize nila at sinabi po nila kung ano yung binawas at ano yung dinagdag. So bakit hindi po natin magawa yun? Di ba 7,000 pages, babasahin natin isa-isa tapos hahanapin natin alin yung tumaas, alin yung bumaba. Eh sa BICAM po, ang ginagawa po nila, sinasummarize, nakasulat po doon. And ang balita ko sa Senate, gagawin nila is aalamin kung sino yung nag-introduce ng bawas at sino yung nag-introduce ng dagdag. And I hope the same will be done in the House, Madam Chair.
Noted on that. We will take that into consideration as we move forward with the reforms for the budget deliberations for the 20th Congress.
Last question, Madam Chair. What will be the participation of the civil service, the CSOs, the NGOs, and the POs doon sa ano?
I will revert back to, I will respond to this question, but this would be the last question with the indulgence of Honorable Chanco. So they will be engaged as non-voting observers in all of the committee hearings. So they have full access to committee hearings and essentially all the deliberations of the Committee on Appropriations as well as the plenary deliberations. And we also have a People's Budget Review wherein that's a day where they can present all of their suggestions and their queries with regard to the 2026 budget.
Madam, bakit pag ako nagsasalita, pati yung sagot ng chairman, tumatakbo yung oras ko?
This is an extension na po.
Yeah,
A while
Congress-
ago, the countdown was in accordance to the length of your questions lang po.
Yes, Congressman Erice was given 3.49 minutes extension. I was stopped at 2 minutes. So last question po. So any CSO, any NGO, any PO who wants to join and volunteers to join will be welcome.
Grabe ka, Toby, ah. Pinahirapan mo si Madam Swansing. Grabe. Anyway, ang ganda ng topic ni Congressman Toby tungkol dito sa budget for the national budget 2026, pero ito ay binalik niya sa 2025. So kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating programa ngayon o video, kayo na po mag-comment, mag-like at mag-share. At doon sa ilalim po ng ating video, merong subscribe button. So maraming salamat po. Shukran. God bless.